Welcome back to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now if you're new, remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Now, one of the three men charged in relation to the abduction and murder of 27-year-old Tashnay Patterson and her 10-month-old daughter, Saraya Powell, has pled guilty to 2 counts of murder and 2 counts of kidnapping. Now, the defendant entered the plea before the Supreme Court Judge, Justice Lorna Shelley Williams. And this also showcases how the hearts of men have become desperately wicked. Leoda Bradshaw is still maintaining her innocence despite everybody else saying that she was the mastermind. I'm not going to hear what going to contain the reasoning. Look and listen.
So to the people, me forgot on the courthouse to the people. Because today the case of try people, so my investigator them call me and tell me say them want to come on the court come cover the case to the people, because today is a case where they may try one of the youth people. But people, you see the youth they may try to the people. I tell the people, you see that's why I tell you say friend. I tell enough of no man say stop for a friend. I tell enough of no girl say stop for a friend. Friend get to in a trouble all the while. You know what girl have them good man and make friend influence them people. This is a friend influence. Because that girl I know make her friend them call her an influencer and hype her up. But who you see the girl take a man? The girl I have your man afraid enough people come and tell us one thing with the Nyankepong Maroon government investigation, Merengue investigation team. Yes, when the Merengue investigation team is investigating some people, we go spiritually with the investigation and we go physically with the investigation people. Now, people, now, 2 good youth people. 2 good youth people. You see the girl cousin people. The man in him good job in the people. The man in him good job people. So I tell the people this is not, because when me say $100,000 people, when me say $100,000 do that killing of people, me say no sir. Something wrong with it, people. You can't know it's something wrong, people. Whether you say $100,000 pay for kill picking and pay for kill woman, I said no. People, something wrong with the investigation of people. So, me go deeper, people, because you know me already, I'm the emperor. Me go deeper down the thing, people, because of today, the youth near Richard old people, that are the Rasta year one. And today, him a try people. People, him, if I was a judge, but because him need up on the spot, people. So him should have get, if him ever get sentenced, judge, give him a slight sentence for foolfulness. They look at Rasta one people, a foolfulness, him forget sentence for. Because people, him then have good work. Hi darling, looking good. Save. Him then have good work people. Him then have good work people. Good look innocent youth people. Get him degree as an artwork person people. Remember you know people. Him a work for 10 years people. And it's a look at you to know to people. I'm not making what the two. You see the cousin people. It's not something so when I do my investigation. I do my investigation. I too look at you never me know people. You would have never expect in a million years for years and them look at boy they call up in something like this. But you see people. You see, I tell you about woman you know. You see a deceitful woman people. The girl tie up them two look boy, you know. The one who get the shotter in the people. The shooter people. Him know people. Forget a billionaire or get life sentence or they for killing people. They for hang him by him knock. Oh bad man get caught up in a girl and girl war. Oh bad man get caught up in a mate war. So the boy who shot the pitney people. Him forget. Note you know. I don't say none of them innocent you know. Because if you fool for make your cousin chick you up and tell us if Say a girl this her. And now same probably know about the about so killing never go on now. But you see the look of Rasta one people. The look of Rasta one. Him don't know nothing about the killing never go on. Him just go along. You know when you're on the car and your friends say, oh, come in, man, wake up on a works man. A girl violate and my cousin called me and tell me to come down, come defend that thing for her. You understand? So when him go down the people, the Rasta one, when him go down there, him just went female the cousin. Roll out for the next youth now that are the shooter. And then Patterson now carry them off. Patterson people who are the victim. Them are going to see when she come out of the car and the shatter and the other cousin go around there. So him see gun pop off. What am I going to do now? Because him can't say him a turn back now because he might get gunshot to him, go dead too. So he must roll along. He must roll along. What am I going to do? People if I fuck him, I chat to the can't tell me say I fuck him, I chat to now. So him now have to roll along. Because remember you know, when the police them grab him, grab the whole of them, when everybody roll out, and they look at Rasta one say, let me come show you where the body bun. When the other two, when the shot roll out, and they look at Rasta one, Richie, I him say, come, I'm going to show you where the body the officer. Him can't take the pressure. Him can't take the pressure, people. He's not used to something like that. He's not a criminal. The cousin now, who's rolling now, people. The devil girl done chick up female. Because remember, you know, him in a film, good job to you know, people when I work for over 10 years, you know, people. And the cousin call him and go chick him up and go make him good on there and go mix up in a crime. People are one thing with me, you know. Me not say like some blogger, what are them yard, and I wait till them hear certain things and not sure. So people, do all of them forget sentence. But people, they look at you, the one them rich people. I just him alone, I feel sorry for. I don't feel sorry for the other two. Him alone, I look a bit feel sorry for people. You understand? Because him just go. I remember, you know, you go up on a crime scene now. And you see crime a go on. And you don't, and your friend don't carry you up on a works and tell us, say, it's a girl, this him family. And him go up there for go pray it. So him carry you with him. As a second. Not knowing when you go up on spot, you go see criminal activity go on. What you gonna do? You can't run. You have to just dead and play with it and play along. And I hope that's everything go over. And then when you go see gun pop off now. People. Today, at the court sentence, at the trial, people. Today, at the trial, people. And it is very sad, people. It is very sad. And that's why I tell the woman them say, cut out this thing but when you fight for man. Me tell you so you go learn about sex magic. Did you know say when time two women sleep in one man was say for same night and same place? Powers and money and everything. But on a Western, Roman Catholic colonizers mind woman in a them time here. They fight over man and they kill girl for man. And they make on a dirty friend. All of these things friend hyping them up. You understand? Hold on there. Yes, people. Me tell you, no, look how you that girl. Stop fight over man. What you now get? Now see that now. She killed Miss Patty so. Kill the poor little young man baby one that even see life yet. Now she end up a prison. Now Paul will die road now. How you gonna tell the man say if you go to moon and go lock off him cocky now and say
Talk to me in the comment section if you're new to the channel, let's pass through. click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Now, until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, for to live, love, and prosper, and of course, for to stay tuned